Myself, Dr. Kodarkar Chaya. My roll number is 15. Today I am going to discuss about photoelectric effect. When suitable frequency of light fall on the metal emits electron. That process is known as a photoemission. In this case, photo means light. Photoelectric effect. This is a evaporated glass tube which is containing two electrodes. One is known as a cathode, another is known as a anode. Cathode is always connected to negative potential of battery. Anode is always connected to positive potential of battery. Then this photoelectric effect happen when a ultraviolet or monochromatic light fall on the metal surface of cathode. Cathode emits electrons. These electrons are free from surface. These electrons are having negative charge particle, therefore they are attracted towards anode, and therefore flow of electrons in the circuit, current start flowing. When light of suitable frequency fall on cathode surface, due to light, these electrons coming out from surface of cathode, therefore these electrons are known as a photoelectrons. And these electrons are attracted towards anode and current start flowing in the circuit, therefore this is known as a photoelectric current. And total effect is known as a photoelectric effect. Means this photoelectric effect depends upon light. This light may be monochromatic, polychromatic, ultraviolet or any type of white light. But this light must be fall on the surface of cathode. Then there are certain conditions. At what condition this photoelectric effect is happen? First condition is distance between cathode and anode must be fixed. If we put cathode at that point and anode along long distance, does not photoelectric effect affect. Therefore, distance between cathode and anode must be fixed. Second condition, cathode must be connected to negative potential of battery. Third condition is that anode must be connected to positive polarity of battery. As well as this tube must be evacuated. There is no certain gap disturbance in the tube. This tube must be made up of glass. And if these three conditions are satisfied, photoelectric effect happen. And this total effect is known as a photoelectric effect. Then there are certain laws of photoelectric effect. Which are these laws? Again, three laws are photoelectric effect. First law, this photoelectric effect occur when light fall on the surface, instantly electrons coming on from the surface of metal. Means this process is instantaneous. There is no time lagging. Even if light of suitable frequency fall on it and electrons are emitted from the cathode surface, there is some drawback is happen, no photoelectric effect is occur. Means this process is instantaneous. Second law is the light which is fall on the surface of cathode must be having certain intensity. If we apply small intensity of light on the cathode does not emit electrons. Means this intensity of light must be constant and this must be satisfied condition. Intensity means what? This is a monochromatic light. It contains number of photons. Means intensity of that photoelectric light depends upon number of electrons present in the light. This is a monochromatic electromagnetic wave. Third law is the light which is fall on the surface having certain frequency, threshold frequency. Above threshold frequency, electrons are emitted. Below threshold frequency, electron does not emitted from the surface of cathode. Means that frequency or that minimum frequency, when light fall on the surface of cathode emits photoelectrons. And photoelectric current start in the circuit and photoelectric effect occurs. Means 3 conditions are present for making photoelectric effect, 3 laws are present for photoelectric effect, and this photoelectric tube then come in working in this circuit. What happen when we apply here battery, make collector make negative and anode make positive. Here we apply a voltmeter which measure current in the circuit, and we also connect one ammeter to connect in the circuit to measure current in the circuit. This is a voltmeter, this is a ammeter, this is a battery. When we apply connect this circuit, what happen when light fall on the surface of cathode emits electron, they are attracted towards anode and current start flowing in the circuit, and this current is calculated in ammeter A. This may be milliammeter, this may be microammeter, depending upon voltage. V is nothing but voltage which is connected in the circuit, and B is nothing but battery. When we increase voltage, automatically current start flowing in the circuit also increases. When we decrease the voltage of the circuit, current is also goes on decreasing. We can use here one key, 6-way key or 1-way key, and we can be change voltage on the cathode. Even if we want to make cathode negative, we can be make cathode positive, we can be make cathode negative as well as positive. When we make 3 conditions are occur. When cathode becomes positive, electron does not emit, no current flow in the circuit. No current flowing in the circuit means that time voltage is equal to 0, and that voltage is known as a stopping voltage. It is denoted by letter V. Means stopping voltage is that at that time current flowing in the circuit is equal to 0. Second condition, make cathodes at 0 voltage. What happen when light fall on the surface of cathode? Cathode is already at 0 voltage. Electron does not emitted, and electron does not emitted means there is no flow of electron, means current is equal to 0. It is having very small lifetime, as well as heating is necessary to cathode, as well as there is so many purpose. This tube is not working well, therefore this tube is again converted into semiconductor, that type of material which conductivity lies between conductor and insulator at certain temperature, known as a photoelectric cell. This photoelectric cell is very useful to convert light energy into electric energy. This can be used as a detector, this can be used as a radar, this can be used in lab, this can be used in research. There are so many applications. Therefore, this photoelectric effect is very important. This is a basic thing of all these semiconductor and all branches. Thank you.